Yesterday I was running out in the park on Mother's Day with the family out at the park, and yeah, the 6S and 8S is still same setup, but I had all these tires around, or better yet, I had all these tires around on all four running in the grass, right? Popped a wheelie, the diff spooled out to the front, front started spinning really fast, and then kablooey, like exploded the whole little rim and wheel. So these fucking berserker wheels and tires, I don't know if they're really good for 6S, or if you want to run it like that, you got to set up your diff with a like million weight oil or something, so your front never spools out when you pop a wheelie, so that doesn't happen to your berserker tires, right? So that's why I got the other tires on the front now, whatever. So yep. So here we are with the J2, right, 6S EDF, and the J1, right? And you'll shortly see the running video I did. Just was running in the grass a little bit, and we had a little incident. So here, back at the house, trying to diagnose the problem. This motor is running on the 6S battery over there. EDF was running on the 8S, and basically here we have the pinion gear off, and I'm gonna show you what my motor is doing right now. You see, it's not, it should just spin freely and go right, but it's not. It's going, it's chugging. So I think I burned through another motor, because yeah, that's not supposed to happen. It's not supposed to sound like that. So what's funny is, and not funny at all, is once upon a time the EDFs and the ESCs going with the EDF and stuff was the main problem I was having once upon a time. But now, repeat after repeat after repeat, it's drivetrain or gears or the motor itself, right? Since I got the X-Car ESC, that's pretty much a beast. I think it is the beast X-Car ESC. So yeah, that's rock solid. My like ESC for the EDF is like a 12S or something ridiculous, and it's only an 8S EDF back there. So that's rock solid. No problems with any of the EDFs or ESCs. But now the weak link looks like it's the motor, and so yeah, gonna have to upgrade that to like a solid 6S motor that can take a strong 6S battery and yeah, handle the ESC and then put the power to the ground. And when it's doing that again, let's hope I don't blow the diff again. Or like, if a motor fix doesn't fix this car, it's a wrap. It's a wrap, and like I'm just gonna save up and get an Arma or something, man, because there's too many problems. So motor is the last hope, fingers crossed, knock on wood. And yeah, here goes the running video.